Hello everyone. I'm back here again with Blackout, and I got a request to give a detailed transformation from robot mode into helicopter mode, so that's all I'm going to do. So first thing you want to do is collapse the feet. You just put the back toe back into its compartment, and then you put that compartment closed, and then you just do the same to the other foot. Put the back toe in, close the compartment, and fold up the toe. And fold them forward so the big end is facing out. Then you flip the waist 180 degrees and the feet will fit together snugly like that. Once you do that, I find it best to unhook the cockpit section away from the side panels and then hook them into their front notches like so. And once you got those panels into those notches like that, you just all at once fold the rotor up, the head forward, and the legs up, and it all comes into place. And I'll show you that again. You fold the head down, you hear it click, you fold the rotor up and the legs back, and they go into all their little notches there. Once you have that, you can take these missile compartments and fold them in. You can also do this in the middle of that conversion to avoid the rotors, but it's not that big of a problem. But there you go. So now the front part of the helicopter is nearly complete. And then, well, we'll scorpionock. You just unhook from the back, as you can see in that notch, and then rotate it away from the rear prop, and it goes right into that little circle. You can see this little circle goes into that little circle, and then you fold these plates. You fold these plates over the hands, and there you go. And I've turned them so you could see them. You don't need to turn them, but the plate will be on the outside, and you just fold them up into the side protrusions, I guess you could call them. And then this section, the rotors, you even out the rotor blades. I don't guess I need to go into a lot of explanation of that. And you have him in helicopter mode, for those of you who are having trouble with that. Now to go back in that mode, you just now to go back in robot mode, you just you'll see an arrow on here. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. There's an arrow right there, and it goes all the way at the bottom. It should point up, and you can see that the blades are divided there, and they just fold down. And from there you can lift the legs down, and you can also take scorpionock. I like leaving scorpionock, the compartment for scorpionock, where it is, but you can put them up in that little circle I showed you right there, that little black piece of plastic. It goes into the notch on top that you can see. And then you just, again, legs and back, and the head will pop up on its own. And then you can take these missile compartments out to the side and twist the torso around, bring out the front toe, lift open the back compartment, then bring out the back toe. It's a little hard. It's one of those things I didn't like about it. And then you do the same thing to that one. And there's also a little auto more feature that they didn't put in the manual. If you push up on this, well, my hand's in the way now, but if you push up on this kneecap, that toe pops out. See, watch it one more time. Right there. They didn't put that in the manual. It's kind of insufficient. But once you got all these, the head, the rotor, tilt back, and the legs out, you can take the cockpit out of its notches and put it into its rear notches. Right, that. And then once you have all that done, you can take the arms, just fold them out. Very simple. There you go. Simple, simple. And that's about it. That's that was a detailed transformation of Blackout for you, for those of you who are having trouble. And again, if you have more trouble, drop me a line.